Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about showing the mini toolbar on selection in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. So if you want to just make that appear when you are highlighting or hovering over it, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go ahead and open up whatever Office application you want. So in our case, we're using Microsoft Word. Select the File tab and then go down and select Options at the bottom here. On the left side, just make sure you're underneath General, and then on the right side where it says Show Mini Toolbar on Selection, if you hover over it, it'll tell you a little more information about what exactly it's doing here. Show the mini toolbar when you select text. The mini toolbar provides quick access to formatting tools. So when you hover over, that means that's going to show the mini toolbar here. So if I start typing something, and then I highlight over it, you see the mini toolbar will appear, and that's basically what that means. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.